40 English sentences for daily use. How's it going? What's for dinner? What's happening this weekend? Do you have any plans for today? Are you busy or are you free to chat? Where are my keys? What are you getting up to this weekend? Are you keen to get together on Saturday? You are joking. Have you got much going on these days? How's your work day looking? Should we grab a bite to eat? Would you like to grab a coffee this afternoon? Would you mind helping me quickly? What are you up to? Could you give me a lift? Can I help you with anything? What time are you getting home today? Should we eat out tonight? How does pizza sound?